In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a single signature. Let's get started. To create a signature, you will need a template. If you haven't already selected and customized the template, check the Choose and Edit Template tutorial first. When you are ready, start by choosing Signatures in the main menu bar. Click Create Signature to proceed. Enter email that will be using the signature you're about to create. Entering more emails at the same time would come in handy if you were creating multiple signatures. Press Enter when you are done. Then click the Continue button. By clicking on the Template field, a pop-up appears. Select the template you wish to use. We recommend the template you customized before. Then click Submit. To continue with entering your signature data, choose the I will fill in data myself option. Below, you will see the information fields that are based on the template layout. Fill in data that is missing. When you're typing, the signature preview on the right side is updating simultaneously. You can use tabs Template and Signature Preview to compare your signature with the template sample data. When you're done, click the Continue button. You can optionally send an email with instructions on how to insert the signature into Email Client. You can specify your own email subject and message to the email. To create the signature, press the Create Signature button. Email recipient has now received instructions on how to proceed, and your work is done. You have successfully created a single signature. If you have any further questions, leave us a comment below. For more tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AdSigner on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.